Hey you guys, so we just got back from Costco. I decided I'm going to share a quick Costco haul with you guys. We did a big grocery shop. I'm going to go ahead and show you. We got stocked up for weeks, tons and tons of things. I also got some non-food items that I want to share with you, a holiday item, a winter clothes item, so all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the non-food items. I did pick up some kitchen towels. These are the Home Caro. So it's kitchen towels. There is a set of 8, and then it has these different designs here. It looks like they come two each, which is perfect. I think that's so pretty. So you can put it like on your oven area or where we put our other dish towel. But now we have some for the holidays. I love this color combo too, the red and white with a little bit of gray as well. The next thing I got was a jacket. It is getting chillier here in Arizona. It's November now, so there's a little bit of a chill. By the afternoon, it gets pretty warm, so you usually take your jackets off by then. But I did get this. I think it was $29.99. They have a lot of cute clothes. Next non-food item are some Kirkland paper towels, and then the Kirkland bath tissue, which we always pick up, and it lasts for a very, very long time. The next thing we got were some blueberries, and then we also got a bag of mandarin fruit or cuties. We got 2 things of the 24-pack of eggs, so lots of eggs. We picked up some bananas, so these are kind of our staple foods to get. Over here we got some Nutri-Grain bars, so strawberry, blueberry, apple, cinnamon, all that yummy stuff. And then Ava picked this out. If you don't know who Ava is, she's my 8-year-old. And she went ahead and got some of these macaroons, which we don't typically buy, but I'm not mad at it. I'm excited to try the different flavors. Let's see, they're gluten-free. There's 36 in here. I've never seen this pack either. So they have chocolate hazelnut, peppermint, salted caramel, pistachio, pumpkin spice, almond white chocolate. I haven't tried those ones. All right, next is some takeout crispy wings. So we're gonna put these in the air fryer. Classic buffalo chicken wings, and it's just takes 16 minutes in your air fryer. So that's a big bag, 64 ounces. So good for like lunches and things like that. I went ahead and picked these up, the hydration liquid IV. I've seen a lot of people drink these and love these, and I picked this up because they had taste testers, like the little tables set up, and I drank it, and I'm like, this just hydrated me and made me feel so refreshed that I need it. So I went ahead and picked up this pack. So this is the first time I'm really trying these. I wanted to quickly pause in the video just to share with you guys today's sponsor. I have teamed up with an amazing supplement company called SpermidineLife. If you've been following me on my social medias for a while now, you know that wellness and overall health is really important to me. I am very much into supplements and getting the right things we need in our body to take care of ourselves for longevity reasons and for our future and health purposes. So I'm really excited to team up with them today to share about their supplements with you guys and how they can help and benefit your health. Spermidine supplementation helps maintain healthy cardiovascular function and boost cardioprotective systems. It's been shown to help maintain healthy brain function and helps maintain healthy stem cell production to promote healthier hair, skin, and nail growth. SpermidineLife Ultra Plus delivers a convenient 30-day supply of their spermidine-rich Celvio complex sachets. Mix it with your beverage of choice to get your daily dose of spermidine. We're also going to be taking the SpermidineLife Extra Plus. This is the next generation of the award-winning SpermidineLife. So this is a natural spermidine-rich Celvio complex, and it's now twice the strength as their original with 30% more polyamines. So make sure you guys check out SpermidineLife. I will have their link and my discount code down below in the description box. Let's start our 2024 year off right, working on ourselves, working on our health, And if you have heard of them, let me know in the comments if you've tried out their supplements and how they're making you feel. What are your results? And we'll go ahead and just jump back into the video. Next, we went ahead and got some grapes, which is another staple. We went ahead and bought some seaweed. This is organic roasted seaweed snacks. It's the Kirkland brand, and that's a good little traveling snack. And then these are new for us. We're trying out these sauces. I've never even seen them before. They're Kinders. Dipping sauce and a cooking sauce glaze. This is Japanese barbecue with soy, ginger, and garlic. And then this is the chicken sauce. So sweet, creamy, and tangy. And I love sauces like this. So next we got some Polish sausage. It's made with 100% grass-fed beef. So we got some of those. Then we got some coconut shrimp with sweet Thai chili sauce. Quick dinner, chicken tiki masala, which we love. This has the 2 pouches. This is really, really good. And we have lots of naan bread that we bought some naan bread from Target that we haven't even opened. So this is going to be perfect with that. And then we bought some fresh mozzarella because I like to have sliced up mozzarella with like a tomato and some basil on it. Then we went ahead and got some croissants, which is kind of like a staple in our house. We always pick up croissants from Costco. And then this sauce right here, the organic spaghetti sauce that we use. We got a 4-pack of those, the olive oil, basil, and garlic. Then we went ahead and got some bacon. We actually split this pack of bacon with my brother and sister-in-law because it's a big pack of 4 and we don't need that much. So they took 2 and we took 2. Costco has all these prepped meal kits for dinners and lunches, just something easy that has everything in it. So this has like your tzatziki sauce. It has like the veggies that you need, the cucumber, the tomato, the cheese, all kinds of stuff. So this is like €1. So it's a Euro kit. Some people say gyro, gyro. I say Euro because I grew up eating gyros in Washington. We have tons of these little restaurants and they always say Euro, but I know since I've moved to a different state, people pronounce it different, so I don't know. Then we got 2 packs of these sliced grass-fed beef sirloin steak. This is really fast and easy to make. It's already fully cooked. You just keep it refrigerated, and we got 2 packs. These are something that we usually buy and we like a lot. Then I went ahead and got some chicken breasts. This is like a 6-pack. Lots of chicken, lots of dinners out of that. We wanted to stock up on meats, you guys. We're trying to avoid eating out as much as possible because it's just so much money. It costs so much. So we're trying to eat at home. So that's why you see a lot of stuff for dinners. It's breakfast. We all kind of eat on our own because some of us are at work and school. So the next thing we have, we have some steak here. This is beef loin New York steak. And then this is seasoned drumsticks with garlic seasoning, beef loin top sirloin, and then my husband got the mild Italian sausage. This is a lot. It's a lot of dinners, guys, a lot of dinners. We got some fresh ground turkey meat, so multiple dinners from that. Some chicken skewers for like lunches and stuff, or even my husband can take these to lunch, like just bring like 3 or 4 in his lunch box and then he can heat them up there and have some other sides and stuff. Big box of the little bites. This is chocolate chip muffins, so 20 pouches, and these are good for kids to put in their school lunch. I've been making Ava's school lunches, my husband's school lunches, so we try and have a lot of stuff that we can throw into their lunches. And then we had to get the variety pack of Ziploc bags. We had one of these last year. We bought a box last year and it lasted all the way till this year. And I just ran out. I had them in here and I had extra in there. I just ran out. And so when I went to Target the other day, I bought some new bags. But this will probably not last us very long at all. But this will last for like a year, you guys. And it's good for like your traveling, your products, your snacks, everything. It's good to have the different sizes, I feel like. And then we got a big bag of a big box of these classic mixed chips. So these are also good for lunches and stuff. And then we got 2 gallons of 2% reduced milk. So anyway, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff away. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys got some food ideas. And bye-bye. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.